Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rishabh Kumar. Today I am going to speak on the topic Citizenship Amendment Act, Nagrikta Sanshodhan Adhiniyam. As the name it suggests, it has amended the existing citizenship law of 1955. Now, what is Citizenship Act of 1955? In a nutshell, it tells us who can become citizen of India, what are ways to become Indian citizen, how one can lose Indian citizenship. In a brief, it regulates the process of acquiring Indian citizenship. Any person who is born in India or have Indian mother or father or have resided for a particular period of time can be considered as citizen of India. But illegal migrants are not allowed to acquire Indian citizenship. Now the question is, who are illegal migrants? Uh, a illegal migrant is a foreigner who enters into India without proper documents like visa or passport, or enters into India with proper documents but stays beyond the permitted time period is considered as illegal migrants. Prior to this amendment, illegal migrants were forced to leave the country, and police used to take action against them. But this amendment, which I am going to talk about in a moment, has brought major change. Now, there is one more way of acquiring Indian citizenship, that is naturalization. An applicant must have to reside for 11 of the 14 years before applying for citizenship. Now, let's come to the main topic, Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. This Amendment Act will ease the process of acquiring Indian citizenship for non Muslims, particularly Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi, and Christian who are from Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh. Now, if a Hindu man enters into India in 2022, he will only have to live for 6 years before applying for citizenship. Now, what are the consequences of this amendment? Such a person who arrived in India in 2018 will be considered as a citizen of India in 2024, just after 6 years, and all the legal proceedings against them will be closed, and he or she shall be considered as a citizen of India. Now, let's come to the exceptions. It is not applicable to six scheduled areas. The six scheduled areas are the protected tribal areas of the four states Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Tripura. The protected tribal areas of these states have got some privileges and freedom because of their indigenous culture and their heritage. And it is also not applicable to ILP areas. ILP stand for Inner Line Permit areas. It basically regulates the visit of Indian to the Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and Mizoram. Suppose you are an Indian and want to visit these areas, you have to take permission from the government, and it is up to the government whether to provide permission or not. Now, let's come to the major issues which are associated with this bill. Critics argue that this is anti-Muslim. This bill is anti-Muslim. It is discriminatory, and I also feel the same because citizenship can't be given based on religion. There are several sects in Islam itself, like Shia and Ahmadiyya Muslims, who have been persecuted, ostracized in these countries, and even they are not considered as a Muslim in these countries. So government should have included these two sects in the provision. Now, second criticism. Second criticism is that it violates the Article 14, the right to equality of our constitution. Suppose a Shia Muslim who has been persecuted has come to India, then he will have to wait for 14 years before applying for citizenship. But in case of a Hindu man, he will get citizenship just after 6 years. So it clearly violates the Article 14 of our constitution. third criticism is from northeastern states. The people of northeastern states strongly oppose the bill because they feel that it will lead to greater influx of the illegal migrants, which is threat to their indigenous identity, culture, and their language. So, at this point, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you.